Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you a little trick for how to do DIY colorful mascara because it's really hard to find good colorful mascara. So yeah, we're just gonna do it. I'm gonna zoom you in. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is curl my lashes and apply mascara. So for me, I've talked about this a lot. Waterproof mascara is my go-to because I very like straight, I've already curled them, which is why they have like any shape to them at all right now. I have very straight, limp lashes. So waterproof mascara is the only thing that will really like hold them and hold them up. This is one of my favorites. It's the Kill Lash Superproof Waterproof Mascara by Clio, which is a Korean brand. None of this shit's sponsored. I have worked with them before, but they're awesome. You can find them on Amazon and probably like, I want to say they're on like Yes Style. I don't know though. But anyway, you can just like search them. Anyway, really good. Super waterproof mascara. Tiny little wand. So I'm going to curl my lashes with my Velour Lash Curler. And I'm going to apply this first. So I'm just going to apply like a decent enough decent enough amount. So that I'm coating each lash. And I'm coating it with enough product so that it's gonna hold up my lashes. Get it all over my lids. But I don't wanna load them up way too much. And then I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that to dry down, the reason that you want to use a waterproof mascara, like I said, it's like my default anyway, but it will set, like it will stay in place, it will remain. So I'm going to be using the matte fluid eye paint from About Face. I think I'm going to use this blue one. This is in the shade Blue Monday. So you could use any of these kinds of products. Like for instance, Danessa Myricks has the paints, what the fuck are they called? Color Fix. Oh, I have one right here. So she's got like the white. This is like a little bit more of like a heavier kind of formula though. What I like about the About Face ones is that they're like nice and lightweight. This is not sponsored, just so you know. So what I'm gonna do is once this has set, I need a clean spoolie. Any clean spoolie will do. This one, I can't remember if I like curled this on my own or not. I'm gonna pick up some of the matte fluid eye paint on this spoolie. Nice and even. You can kind of coat it like that. And now I'm just going to go over that mascara. I'm gonna start with the top of my lashes. So I'm gonna be looking down into a mirror. So the most important thing is that your lashes are dry so that it's not like mixing with the waterproof mascara. And you also want to make sure that you're not applying too much or going into it too much. Once again, so that you don't kind of like disrupt the waterproof. I want to make sure that I'm getting a nice even coat. And then I'm essentially doing the same thing for the lower lashes, but like can't really get the bottom part and no one's gonna see it anyway, so who cares? Now, if you don't have stubborn eyelashes like I do, you could probably try doing this without the waterproof mascara underneath at all. I just like that it kind of creates like an eye base because I don't know how well these would hold on their own. All right, guys, that's it. It's that easy. These are also like super pigmented, long wearing products, so they're not going anywhere once you put it down, you know? And you can definitely use this on like fake lashes as well. I would just like make sure that you're really brushing it out so that it doesn't get clumpy, you know? All right, guys. I hope this was what? I hope this was helpful. I don't know. I feel like it's really hard to find like good colorful mascaras. And like all of these kind of like paints, these like fluid eye paints, like this would be a really pretty color. I almost used this one, but I wanted you to really see. Maybe I'll go over top with the dark blue. I don't know. I think I like the dark would be really cool. Anyway, there's just so many colors. And another nice thing about them is that you can kind of like mix them together and create different colors and then just scoop them up with your spoolie. You know, you can pretty much create any color that you want. So yeah, I don't know. Hope it was helpful. Let me know if you would wear this. Bye.